Hello warriors, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sheil Obisheson. This is the third episode of You Don't Want God Involved, Don't Ask Me. Hello, I watched your last video about the student who said 100 euro is too small for pocket money per week. My situation is quite similar, but can you help me with a breakdown on how to spend 200 euro per week? The key to budgeting is to identify the difference between your wants and your needs. Obviously, we all know that your needs are more superior than your wants. On a normal basis, I say to people, take out your tithe first, that's the 10% of your income, and then you put everything back into 100%. Then you can try the 20, 30, 50 budgeting format, whereby your 50% goes towards your groceries, your rent, your utilities, and so on. And also your 20% goes towards your savings for financial goals, emergencies, and all like that. And your 30% goes towards your wants, your shopping, your hobbies, your entertainment, and so on like that. But I recently came across a writer, Denubon, who wrote about the 10-10-10-70 budgeting format. And this is how we break it down. 10% is your tithe, and the second 10% goes towards your savings, that's for emergency purpose. The third 10% goes towards your savings, otherwise known as pay yourself, and the 70% is what we live on. So if you can do your budgeting like that, that will help you to know what you should spend and what you shouldn't spend. And can I just say, your investment could be at the moment to invest in yourself. So if you put money aside to spend on yourself, you're still investing, because you need to invest in yourself first before you start investing to make more money. You need to become the best version of yourself. And for everybody that is not a student, your income should be greater than your expenses. If there's an issue whereby your expenses is greater than your income, that means you need to cut down your expenses, or you need to look for other ways of making more money. Your rent should be 40% maximum of your income. If your rent is more than 40% of your income, that could be a struggle. So these are the things you should put in place. Do you want to rent cheaper, or look for a way to get a cheaper accommodation, or look for a way to adjust yourself so that some unnecessary subscriptions will be out of your spendings? But pay attention to it. Whoever you are, your rent should be maximum of 40% of your income. It shouldn't be more than that, because you don't only survive by paying rent. You need food. You need to transport, whether you have a car or you use public transport. You still need money to take care of yourself. Rent is not the only way that sustains you. So pay attention to that. I think the breaking down of the 10-10-10-70 budgeting format is really great. Try that, because budgeting and talking about money it's kind of a sensitive topic. A lot of people don't want other people to know what their income is or what they are earning. But if you have a format like this, you can by yourself put it down, and then you know where you are at. Budgeting helps you to track your spending habit. It corrects you, because it takes a while before you get used to it, but you need to start. You cannot always be short of money, be in lack, except you don't have an income. That's understandable. But if you have an income, your expenses should be lower than your income. You cannot be living above your income. If you're still watching up to this moment, I hope you've gained value from this video. So please like the video so that you'll be able to reach more people. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification button so you'll be notified when I post new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye, warriors.